troubleshooting methodology that they're going to teach you on the A+ exam is going to follow you for the rest of your IT career, and this will actually go into other areas as well. Now let's talk about a good troubleshooting methodology. Make sure you're ready to repeat this back on the exam and you're ready to live it and walk it in real life. The first thing you need to do is identify the problem with a computer. Then break that problem into smaller pieces. Then prioritize the problems based on your technical knowledge of how this particular piece of functionality should be happening. Then determine the order that you're going to use to troubleshoot to determine exactly what the problem is here. If the device or machine is working well enough, you want to make sure you back up any data before you begin making any changes, okay? Then what you want to do is, and oh, by the way, if you can't back up any data, make sure that you inform the end user. Is there a current backup of this? Because the machine's in a state that I cannot back it up and we could lose data. Make sure they understand that, okay? Then make one change, okay? Test for results. Continue to make one change and test for results, and when you find the problem, document the problem and document the solution. If you go in there and make 3 or 4 changes at once and the thing starts working, you now have no idea what corrected the problem, and you may have masqueraded the problem and it'll return later. So make one change, test for results. Even if it involves stopping and restarting the computer, yes, it's going to take 3 or 4 minutes. Seems like it's taken a long time, but you're trying to solve the problem, not just cover it up. Document it, both the problem and the solution. This can become extremely valuable down the road. We can see patterns, we can see solutions, we can train other people, we can do all kind of cool things with this information, okay? So that is a good basic troubleshooting methodology. They will ask you about this on the exam. Just make sure it makes sense to you and you answer it this way.